Hello from Slovenia again. So what I usually do on my Mondays, I use my paints that I have left from yesterday's live. So this is DecoArt Extreme Sheen, and I have some of this Cadence Rich Gold left from one of my other pours, and I will use those two for a background, and I will do a double dip. I really loved those colors yesterday together, so I think that they should look pretty nice in this technique and a little different, you know, because when you do different techniques, so something in there I have to work on that. And I will spread this with the palette knife, so they will kind of mix together a little bit, not too much hopefully, or even if they are, I don't mind, they will. But as I said, I don't mind because it's gold, but it will be a little different shade of gold. It's okay with me. I think that I have more paint here than on I found the blob than on the other one. And I have another one here. Go out. Okay, you can fast forward this part, but sometimes it's you have to see how much base coat or something is on the canvas or on the MDF boards that I use today. Definitely I have less paint on this one, but maybe it will get us a different result because of that. So just try to go outside those rules sometimes. Just try to play, and maybe you will end up with something nice, or maybe not. Okay, where is my torch? I'll just torch this real quick because I see a lot of air bubbles. And now I will just drizzle some paint, of course. And maybe I will start with this thin down white. This is my normal titanium white, but I thin it down. So that's why I'm hoping to get some lacing or something with this. So this is the first one, and next will be permanent blue violet from Amsterdam. It's no rules, just trying to add some paint and see what will happen. Okay, and permanent red violet. And I'm hoping for some nice trees to develop, because you get this kind of tree look with this technique. And this is Amsterdam Azo Orange. And I have Amsterdam Azo Yellow Middle Hue. I don't know how this will look at the end, but I'm hoping for some purple on the back and some of this yellowish orange stems of trees. I don't know if I will achieve that or not, but let's see. And I will add some of this thin down white. Oh, sorry. And now I will put one on top of each other. And I will just put this aside a little bit. And I will squish it together. This is the word, I don't know. And then I will pull them apart slowly, hopefully. Okay. As I thought, I missed some yellow and orange, but they are still nice. Just didn't put it on the right space, so here that you can see it. And the other one. Okay, and now I will try to see what is going on and try to fix some things if I want. I want this line to go down and this yellow one just to complete the composition, kind of. Okay, and I will torch it, and then I will take you for a close-up. Okay, not what I have envisioned, but I like them anyway. Sorry again, you know me and my rotating thing. So here they are, and I think that they are pretty nice. A lot of lacing and beautiful details. I do miss some yellow, and this is the other one. It's like you would draw this with a brush or something. That's how I see those dips, because they are really, really cool. So I see a woman here, you see, with the long hair, and here is her face, and she has flowers here, and she had some kind of head or something. Maybe you will think that I'm crazy, you see, and she's looking down. And here she's going somewhere, you see, her head and her body, she's going away. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Please don't think that I'm crazy. But that's what I see in this dip, and I will say that I'm in love with it. I really am, because it's special. And you see, here is a tree, a beautiful tree with something trees here around. Do you see her? Or she has a baby. I don't know. I don't know. But I definitely see a woman here and a woman here. So I will stop talking. See you on the next one. Bye.